Good day, students. Today we will discuss your Unit 1 activity concept map. So first, what is concept map? Okay? Concept mapping is a way of representing knowledge or ideas as concepts and relationships between them. A concept in the map is anything we want to talk about. An example, any real-world object, an abstract term, an event, or even a fact. So basically, anything. Okay? So concept mapping requires a lot of thinking. Okay? As David Osobel says, the best way to learn is by relating every new term, concept, or fact to something we are already familiar with. To find these meaningful relationships, we have to think hard about what we know and about the new information. So for example, you will read an article, you have to take note the new term, the new concept, or information that you've received, and you relate it to things that you already know or you're familiar with. Okay? So how can you use a concept map? So first, brainstorm and organize ideas. It encourages people to come up with thoughts and ideas. So when you read an article, you start to form ideas in your mind. So you make notes or you write them, and you can start organizing them so that you can create an outline for an assignment, right? So if you are asked in your assignment, for example, what is concept map? So I discussed to you, it requires the deep thinking. It can help you organize your ideas. So you start to make an outline. Next is, it will test your knowledge during your review. If you are reviewing for an exam. So you can identify the things you understand and those that needs more research and discussion. Why is it useful during an exam? Because it will help you determine the relationship of each terms introduced in the article. Okay, next. How do you make a concept map? So, siya ang purpose na to, no? How do you make a concept map? First, you identify the main topic. So after you brainstorm, then you realize na, okay, this is the main point of this article. So you use all relevant content from lectures, texts, and other course material. For example, you realize that the main topic of an article is about trees. Okay? So, and most of the discussions in that article is about the use of a tree. Okay, so that's your main topic, the tree. Next is you organize your information into main points. That's the time you make your notes, you list down your notes. And then once you're done with the information or terms or concepts, you start to begin your main topic, then branch out to major points and supporting details. So, for example, the major points, no? After your main topic, you find out that these are the major points. Okay, so the use of the tree is it provides oxygen, provides shade, and it is used or you are used to make paper. So that's your major point. And you start to branch out based on that article, the way that these are achieved. Okay. So, number 4, review your map and look for more connections. Use arrows, symbols to show relationship of ideas. Okay? So, if you notice that a lot of in your notes, daghan pa mga topics that were not present or wala ninyo i-include, were not included in your concept map, then you try to review your map and make more connections. So, for example, it was discussed in the article that books are educational. Okay. So next is analyze and improve your map. So if you notice that you reach a dead end and then only few or gamay lang ng mga topics ang inyong na-include, then you improve and analyze your map basin sa iyo imong main topic. Okay? And 7, try talking out loud about your concept. So if you can just look up your concept map and you can discuss it in your own or on your own and you understand it, then that's the time that you have clearly understood what the major topic is. Okay? So for your activity, there is a direction there. You're provided with direction. So first, using the data required, cut and paste the pictures found at the previous page to form the concept of community immersion as requisite of Nstp. So basically, you just have to cut and paste the pictures. But you can use your own pictures, provided that it is the same with the previous page. Katong mga dimension, katong okay? You can also look for similar concepts found in the magazines, cut and paste them, or you can lay out a concept map using the images found in Google. Pwede na siya. So as you form the concept, please be guided with the following. So ang main point, no, gihatag na nato ang main topic. The main topic is the community immersion. Then trainees' involvement is the key factors. Dimension for development as a way of helping community improve their way of life and expected outcomes of trainees through Nstp. So, muna na siya yung sub-topic. Okay? So, we have the rubrics. First, let's read it. It's so small. Okay? So, these are examples of activities made by your students. By your students, I'm sorry. By some of your students. By some of your students, I meant. Okay? Nice. I take. Ay, nara. Kani siya, no? Gigamit ragid niya ang atong mga images. Kani pod lahi-lahi. Okay? Okay? So, dili na mo gabasihan ang colorful. We base on how you conceptualize your map. For example, kani is very simple. Simple lang siya. Okay? Be honest with your activities and follow the instructions. That's all. Thank you.